The U.S. dollar is no longer viewed as a safe haven because all treasuries are IOUs for dollars. The U.S. government will pay you dollars in the future. Well, if you don't have any confidence in the future value of the dollar, then you don't want to own U.S. treasuries. So what are central banks buying now instead of U.S. treasuries or dollars? They are buying gold. That's why gold rose and treasuries fell. Since the beginning of last year, gold was $2,000 an ounce. It's now almost $3,500. That's more than a 50% increase in just over a year or a year and a half. The reason for that is not because people in this room are buying gold, although some of you may be. Individual investor demand for gold has been subdued over the past several years. In fact, they've been buying Bitcoin. But while the public was wasting their money on fool's gold, central banks were buying the real thing. And in fact, I just read earlier this week that now gold is larger than euros in reserve assets. So it's now the second biggest asset of central banks after the US dollar. Within a few years, I think that gold will supplant the dollar as the largest asset of foreign central banks.